Yeah. Very good evening. My name is Anil. I'm an HOL of Hyderabad Cyber. Last 6 months, my self-sale was 9.3 lakh and my team target was 36.89 lakh out of the target of 64 lakh. And the next 6 months, I'm targeting of self-sale for 10 lakh. And in that, every month I want to generate the prospect average of 12 and the daily call average of 10. And every month on average I am planning for 10.66 lakh with the team average of 9. And I want productivity to be reached at 1 lakh 5,000. And overall, I would like to complete this 2012 and 13 financial year with 1 crore 29 lakh 45,000 with an average of 1 lakh 20,000 productivity. Now, I would like to share my experience during these 4.5 years in Ceasefire. In 2008, April, I have joined in this organization as a frontliner, and in a short year of one year, I have become an ET. Then I have become an territory manager. Then I have become an area sales manager, and every year I am been getting promoted. And this year I have been promoted as a branch manager sales and taken an opportunity to heading an Hyderabad Cyber location. See, the promotions and the recognition which I have got is really which I really may not get anywhere other than this company, because every year getting promotion and increment is not easy. But the same way, and I have getting directed by my seniors, and I really get a support by my DGM Irshad sir for all of my whatever the target I have completed, whatever the responsibilities I have taken over, everything been taught by him. Team members, the way everyone get recognized for the efforts they have put in this company, and not only in the way of getting incentives, in the way of getting promotions, in the way of getting recognition in the span of time. And the people who have joined in my team as a frontliners, within 6 months to 1 year, they have promoted as a TM, and I really feel happy that they have grown under me and become something in the company. I also would like to share a few things about my territory. Like Cyber City is the territory which has got all of the software companies, where we have started selling of CQRS. Already we have picked an order of 2 CQRS. That was my good achievement in last 6 months. And this month we have already picked up an 5 watermesh order. No, we are selling and we are getting the recognition on the brand name of Ceasefire. Okay, wherever we go, it's only the name of Ceasefire. Okay, we are getting recognized through Ceasefire. Okay, and everywhere, wherever we go, the people are identifying he is from Ceasefire, and we are getting a good respect. The people who are aspiring to join in the company are like to work and like to complete their objectives and the goals whatever they have planned. I would like to say, once if you settled for 4 to 5 years in Ceasefire, you never ever leave company, because the way the company grows, down the line, all the people, not only frontliners, everyone will, and the schemes company is introducing, and the scheme and the new things which company is introducing, like for the people who are aspiring to join in the company, like within 6 months they will be getting a chance of promoting as a territory managers. In 18 months they can be becoming a branch manager. And I wish Hyderabad Cyber is all the best.